So guys, we're about to go see if we want to rent a house for 2 weeks or 3 months. The Casa Alaman house. That's the first one we're going to look at. It's gonna have a pool. I think it's fully furnished. Yep, okay. Got that right. Finally remembered something. And I might like a different house, but you never know. You never know. You can't tell the future. You can't tell it. You can't tell. I know, it sucks, right? So yeah, I'll see you guys there. So guys, if you can see, it's so hot here. I'm sweating to death.
Louder.
No.
Talk louder.
Come on, mate.
Alright, come over.
Let's go. What do we have to eat?
I had a hamburger. Mum had this like heaters, and Dad had a torta, which is basically a hamburger.
Yep.
But Dad said it's better than a hamburger, but I don't believe him. And we're about to go head.
2 houses we looked at. What are your thoughts?
The first one we looked at was.
No, tell everyone what we just did. I don't know.
We just looked at 2 houses to rent, and I reckon I like the first one the best. So yeah,
What's good about the second
we're
one?
going back to the hotel, and I'll see you guys in the pool there. So guys, we just had a little swim into the pool, and we went back, and guess what? The cleaner lady came in, and guess what? I was naked. So I had to hide behind the bed and get dressed. I had no pants and undies on, but I did have a shirt on, and I'm wearing no undies because I was doing a rush. We were supposed to have a siesta until the lady interrupted us having a siesta. Dad would probably need to work because he's like, "Hi, this is Scott Butler. Can't answer the phone just right now. I might be in a meeting or I'll late. Thank you. Leave a message." Okay, so yeah, after the cleaners lady is done, we're going to have a siesta, which is a nana nap for Australians, but a siesta is for Mexicans.
How warm is it here? How hot is it here?
35 degrees.
35
And it's
degrees.
0 degrees where you guys are. I'm talking about Australia, thank you. Not any other place, like Canada or something. Yeah. Canada's cold as. It's as cold as that pool, even though it's actually really warm. That was really warm, that pool. Oh, there was a cold breeze, and it like swished us, and the pool just kept us warm. Except for our heads. Our heads got freezing because we had the breathe. Okay, so yeah, so it gets kind of cold. Only for like 30 seconds. And it gets hot for like 200 hours. So yeah, I hope it will get warm soon in Australia for you guys, and I hope you're having a great day. I miss you. I've missed you, Matthew, Liam, and all my friends and soccer mates and skill mates. And Tommy Bye, I can't forget him. And Tommy Edward and Poppy Edward. Who else? Nanny.
All right, sign it out.
Okay, I'll see you guys later. So guys, we were walking down, and what's it called, the Centro area.
Centro.
And so, luckily, when we just walked down, there was like a monitor movie theater thing on that castle right behind us. We only saw like 3 minutes of it. I reckon I would have gone for a good hour. And I hope you guys did well in soccer. On July the what's the date?
Today.
16th?
16th or something.
Yep.
16th to 15th. And comment down below what was the score, and I comment if you won, and please like if you lost, because you might not win it without me, you know. So yeah, I hope you guys did well in soccer, and I'll see you guys later.